Okay, you're most welcome. You're most welcome, guys. Okay, so as you guys learned in chapter that was chapter 16, lesson 2, we talked about acceleration and velocity, and we said velocity is the speed and direction together when we mentioned speed and direction together. And we said acceleration is when we change the speed or the direction of an object. We can say it's the change in, huh? Instead of saying speed or direction, we can say only one word. Do you guys remember?
Velocity.
Yes, it's
Velocity.
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 Well done, Rugmini. Yes, I know you know the answer. Well done. Okay, yes, so it's going to be velocity. So acceleration is any change in speed or direction, or we can say it's any change in the velocity itself. Then we mentioned force, and we said that with more force, there will be more acceleration. And force actually causes this change or causes acceleration, if you guys remember. And we said this sled with 4 people will move way faster and will change its speed and direction way faster than the one with 2 people. The same as the girl with 6 dogs and the girl with 1 dog. Remember, we said which one will have more acceleration? The one with 6 dogs or 1 dog?
The one with 6 dogs.
Yes, the one with 6 dogs.
6 dogs.
Because it has more force. Because it has what?
More force. More force.
Yes. Okay, so today we're gonna do a simple worksheet. Here it is. Where is it? Where is it? Yes, here it is. So this one is talking about speed, velocity, acceleration. It has some problems to solve. So we'll do it together. Some questions maybe we'll have to pass them because we're not actually studying about them this year. But yeah, I think we'll have fun today. Just let me try to use the line up because I wanted to use the spanner, but the spanner takes really long time. So I use this one. This one is like the spanner, but just it shows a single name spontaneously. Okay. Okay, everyone.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So we'll start with the first question. We have Basil. Do we have Basil today? I think I've seen his name. Basil is here. Yes, Basil. Yes, your voice is so far, Basil. We can't hear you, by the way.
Can you hear me now?
Okay, yes, I can hear you now, but you sound so sleepy. Would you like to go wash your face and try to wake up and then get back to us?
No.
So you will answer the first question then?
Okay.
Okay.
Word?
So let me zoom in so you can see the question more. Okay, so it's number 1.
Which word below refers to a change in the position
Position of an object. Yes. Speed, motion, velocity, or acceleration. And be careful because this one could be a little bit tricky. But what do we mean by changing the possession of an object? Like once we change the place from one place to another, like once you start moving.
speed.
Well, speed is moving anyway, but it could be fast or slow, right? But what is changing the possession of an object? Would you like to pass this question, Yabasit? Maybe try to wake up a little bit and just get back to us, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's see who's next. We have Leila. Do we have Leila with us today? No, Leila is not here with us. Okay. Hamza?
Yes.
Yes, Hamza. Would you like to answer this question?
Okay.
This one, number 1.
Okay. Which word below refers to a change in the position of an object? Speed, motion, velocity, accelerating. Not accelerating. Velocity.
Yes, not accelerating because accelerating is a change in speed and direction. Velocity
Yes.
is speed and direction. Okay, well done. So what do you think?
Motion?
Motion, yes. Guys, remember this from lesson one when we talked about motion and we said that changing the possession or you guys moving around, this is motion. So the change in
Yes.
possession will be motion. Thank you so much, Hamza. Okay,
You're
number
welcome.
two, we have Adito. Do we have Adito with
Yes.
us today? Yes, Adito. Okay. Number two, would you read the question? Just let me zoom it out a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see the words or not. Are they, I mean, can you see
No.
them or do you need me to zoom a
Yes,
little
I
bit
can see.
out?
I can see them.
Okay.
A runner is going at 10 kilometers per hour. What information have been given by the runner?
Yes, about the runner. Yes. What kind of information did you get when you heard that he's going at 10 kilometers per hour? What kind of information is this?
Speed.
Yes, well done. Speed. I'm sorry, let's me just highlight speed because he said 10 kilometers per hour. When I say any distance with hour, that means it's speed. Well done. So his speed was 10 kilometers per hour. Thank you so much, Edito. Now with the next question, number three, we'll have Yusuf. I think it's picking boys only or what? But Yusuf is not in the meeting. Let me pick someone else. I hope it will be a girl now because no, it's Iyad Tamer. Okay. Still a good boy. Iyad Tamer. Do we have Iyad Tamer today? I think I admitted to him
Yes,
at the
of
beginning of
course,
the
I'm
session.
here.
Yes. Okay, Iyad, would you say, would you, I'm sorry, read number three and try to answer it?
Okay, of course. Speed refers to the rate of change in the
Is it motion over time or direction over time, speed over time or
distance
distance
over
over
time.
time? Distance over time. Well
I mean
done.
speed,
Thank you
sir.
so much.
Yes, distance.
Yes, because speed is actually the relationship between distance and time. So well
Time.
done, Ian. Thank you so much. Okay, now next we have Yassine. I don't think we have Yassine in the session today, right?
Yeah, we don't.
Yes. Okay. I would like you guys to check names for me. Okay. So we have Farida. I think Farida is with us today. I heard her voice.
Yes, I'm with you.
Okay, Farida. So
Yes,
can
Mister.
you read number four, please?
Of course.
Okay.
Which
This
statement?
one. I'm just sorry for interrupting you. So this one is it
Or-
could be a little bit confusing, but it's way easier than you think. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. So read the question, please, and try to answer it.
of course. Which statement below is an expression of the velocity?
Mm-hmm.
Um,
It says
I think
60 kilometers per hour north or 60 kilometers or 60 kilometers per hour or 35 kilometers equivalent. Have we heard the word equivalent before?
yes, we took it in math.
Okay, but I mean in science, didn't we hear about it?
No,
No, so I don't think this will be the answer. I don't think D will be the
exactly.
answer, right? Okay. So what do you think, Freid?
I think it's number A.
A, yes, well done. Yes, because what is velocity again? What do we know about velocity?
It's the speed of the
Yes, speed and direction together, right?
yeah
Yes, the speed and direction of an object. So when I say 60 kilometers per hour, this is speed. And then they mentioned north, which is the direction. So in this case, I'm mentioning speed and direction. So that's velocity. Here, 60 kilometers only means distance. Okay, the distance the object is moving. 60 kilometers per hour, that means speed. Yes, Muhammad, you raised your hand. Do you need to say something?
I
Muhammad,
wanted to say what does it mean by velocity, but okay.
oh, okay, but it was Farida's turn. That's why I was asking her. I know you know the answer. I know you do. Okay, number
Okay.
5. Let's see who's next. Aysel. Do we have Aysel with us today? No.
Yes, I think this lesson, like it's so easy, and I like I like what it's talking about.
Alhamdulillah, that's nice. So I think you like physics. So that's physics.
Physics is kind of fun. I won't really lie.
Yeah, I like physics too. I used to like it when I was in high school. I mean, I like thinking about things and solving problems and stuff like that. But I do
Science is
also like science in particular. I like biology, like studying about body systems and stuff like that.
yeah.
But I'm not really interested in them. I'm more interested into solving problems and yeah. That's why I was in the math section in high school. Like we have math section and biology section. I was in the math section because I liked math and stuff like that. Okay,
I won't
so we
lie.
have
Science is
yes,
actually a fun subject.
math. Yes, it is fun subject.
Science. I
And
mean,
science too. Yeah, math and science are really related. You will know that when you're a little bit older, when you study about physics and chemistry and stuff like that, especially
Yeah,
physics.
because
You will
yeah,
actually
because
notice that physics
sometimes
and math are really related.
yeah,
I
because
already
sometimes we
from now.
use math in science.
You what?
Because sometimes we like need math
Yes, we
in
solve
science.
problems in science. Yes, that's why they're so related.
Yeah,
Well
and we
done.
also when we grow up and anywhere we will like we need to like know a lot about math because it will like be talking about math more.
Yes, math and science are really important during our
Miss
day
Noha,
life. Yes. Okay, now
Miss
we
Noha,
have Jaida. Yes, Jaida.
when I study, I'm really good in math and science.
That's nice. Well done. I believe all of you guys are really good in most of the subjects. I hope that you will get back to school next year and have fun and have BE sessions because I know you miss BE sessions too.
Yeah, we
So
must
yeah,
be so much.
I hope
Because
next year, inshallah,
see our
you guys will get
experiment.
back and have the full sessions like BE sessions and science and everything, but mostly BE sessions because I know you do really miss these sessions.
Miss,
Okay.
I was so excited about grade 4 because in grade 4 we will start playing soccer in PE. But
Yes, but then Corona
still,
came and you guys stopped doing that, unfortunately.
yes.
Yes. Okay. Now we have Jaida's turn because Omar is not in the session. So Jaida, would you like to answer number 5?
Okay.
Okay.
And, and, and
Increase. An
this
increase in a car's velocity is referred to as like when the velocity increases, that means it's changing. What do you mean by that? Changing a car's velocity.
uh, see,
Well, you need to think more.
okay,
What do you mean when we change any change in velocity, any change in speed and direction? What did we call this?
B,
Jaida, I need to focus on number 5. An increase in a car's velocity, that means velocity is changing. What is velocity, ya Jaida?
velocity, and the move of I think
It's okay. Take your time. Mm. But velocity is so easy. We just said what's velocity in the previous question. We said velocity is speed
Miss,
and
can I say what
direction
the
of
velocity?
an object. No, Muhammad, give Jaida time. And anyway, I answered it. But velocity is the
uh,
speed and direction of an object, right? Yeah, Jaida? You
yes,
already need to know that. Yes.
is D,
D, yes, it's going to be acceleration because acceleration means changing in velocity. Or we can say change in speed and direction of an object. You know, when we get the car to move faster or slow it down, so we're changing its velocity. So when I say that velocity increased, that means it's changed, right?
yes,
Yeah, so any change in velocity or any change in speed and direction means acceleration. Of course, not explosion, of course. Distance is just distance, like how many kilometers is this object moving. Speed is how fast or slow this object is moving. So it's not actually velocity. So any change in velocity would be called acceleration. Thank you, Jaida. Thank you so much. Okay, now we have Iyad Adil. Iyad Adil, do we have Iyad Adil with us today?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Iyad. Okay, Iyad, would you like to read number 6?
Okay.
Okay.
A car running on a flat
Mhm.
terrain
A
after
car
a
running on
while.
a flat terrain after, yes. Did you read the rest of the question, sweetie? Because I can't hear you. Iyad Adil?
Yes.
Yes.
A.
What do you think? Did you understand
A.
the question? Did you understand the question, Aslan? Yani, did you understand what's a terrain?
A.
Yet I'm not asking for the answer now. I'm saying, did you understand the question first? And can you explain what did you understand from the sentence? A car running on a flat terrain after a while gets to a hill slope. So that means it's going downwards or going upwards? What do you think?
Down.
Down, yes, well done. So that means it will increase or decrease? As you mentioned, you said A, right?
Yes.
Yes, A is the correct answer, but I just wanted to know that you understand the sentence because maybe one of your friends is not, focused. So maybe we need to tell him what does that mean. So this car was moving on a flat surface, but then it went to a hill slope, which means it just went down a hill. So as it's moving down the hill, that means speed actually will be way faster. So thank you so much. Okay, now let's move to, these are the answers actually. Okay. So guys, I wanted to show you another video just as a break in the session. Just give me 1 minute, I'm sorry.